I I lost my system. Whatever. It will be. Whatever happens is good.
Uh-huh.
Actually, I had never. I had an idea that what happened. Enter it was without overlap. What is it saying? Without overlap. No, I never think of doing this in this ESP4.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'll practice in this system now. So I'll see lot of changes.
Yes.
No?
Yes. Because I'm,
Because
this is
there are a lot of changes happened.
yes, this is the change which I'm also seeing. That's why in the I was asking you that question when we were regarding the copying the plant and all those stuff. The first question. Hmm.
Only have you copied any plan or anything?
Hmm.
This has not copied any plan or anything.
Did I copy any plant? Uh, I have copied plant, but I
No,
didn't have.
I'm trying to create one any company code by copying it.
I'm
having issue.
What's the issue it's giving? Let's go to the
Creating any company.
go to the company code.
Let's go do like this. It's only profits and control areas. And also, in this, since it is an open source, open source client, everybody will do something in the system.
Yes.
Every time you'll have lot of issues.
Yes.
That is a big issue again. No? don't know why it has copied. Try to copy it. Which one you have tried to copy? This 1000 client?
Yeah, 1000. There is also a company code.
Normally we prefer something 1000 Bajaj Auto.
Another was ZMS, another company code. Anyway.
Copy from 4300. This is good one. It is actually a standard one. Recommended by
SAP.
SAP when you want to.
Okay. Do in the company. Okay. 4300.
If you want to.
The 4300 is the standard.
If you want to. If you want to activate any SIN activities. Then it's recommended that you can. Why this Ganeshan is not connecting every day?
I don't know. Don't know.
Let me call the.
Are you saying that 4300 is the standard company code in SAP, where if we want to create a company code, want to copy a company code, we use that? That is a procedure or provided by SAP, that you copy that 4300. Is that what are you saying? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Yeah. And I called him. So he said he didn't inform anything. Let's see. Extend data has
Was not copied.
When is something?
Yeah. I also got this, when I tried to copy a company code.
Tell me. There might be some number of objects. Numbering, intervals will not be copied as sometimes. See, the number range object has number range object type 5. The number range are to be transported is highly likely you would get data inconsistency knowing the target system and the server object will be wrongly assigned to the group. Right, transfer type 5 is not possible using this function. You only asked me, right, in the beginning, that why the number ranges are not copied.
Yes.
See, here if you see, it is not copying. But in that warehouse process, it was actually copying. Just because, as I told you that this regarding this, what I call, due to this financial things,
GL accounts and all those stuff. Okay.
Because of there are some government defined number ranges. There can be a lot of criteria. You maintain the number ranges. It's just not like you create whatever you do, you will maintain it. So just because of that, it will not copy. You will have another procedure to take it to the target system. Yes, I'll create this later. 1 second, I guess.
Lakri da pool. That is the number.
It is a colony in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So we'll see your plan, your company code. Try to run on your system, your client. So, you have any questions now?
Yes, I have questions. Okay. First,
yep, tell me.
Okay. Here. Okay. Let's pull up a purchase order.
Yeah.
Okay. No. Anyway, display purchase order. I meant, and we will put the number 3 3, then 00046.
Okay. 30046.
There's a lag, I think so.
Yeah, 100, 130.
Okay, just a second. Okay, now I'm seeing. Okay, and this is the purchase order. Now let me do a Migo transaction. Let me do a good receipt for that transaction. Let's just go to the Migo.
Do it. You want me to do it or you do?
No, you go ahead and do. Then I will ask the question. Okay, we will not post it. We will just see that. Open up Amigo.
Yes.
Okay, just hold on. Let it pull up. Okay, now let's go to the WM tab. Okay, now in this WM tab,
Yes.
I am
Yes,
seeing
sir.
all those, DSPL, quantity per SU, all those things rightly pulled up. Now, if we recall, some session before, we had an issue where DSPL was 0. It was showing incorrect values, and you showed us a You showed us a configuration where you mentioned something. Now I will go to that configuration. Before that configuration, also I will say that here I am not seeing the TR number. I am not seeing the transfer requirement number. Okay, and then okay, let's go to that transaction where in the customizing where we link the movement types.
Yeah, this is the one.
Yes. Okay. Now the warehouse is maintained is 001. Okay. So let's come to that screen. There's a lag going on actually. Yeah. Let's come to that.
Screen?
Yeah, the screen. Where we have the configuration maintained. Open up the configuration.
This kind of configuration.
Mm-hmm.
Where this Migo transaction configuration. This
No.
one,
The one you mentioned. When we had that issue where the DSPL was showing 0.
Oh, okay. Where actually we done.
Yeah, you mentioned that in the configuration where we have a link between the WM and inventory management, there are some values maintained. So I will show that there are some issues. Okay, transfers, different movement types.
Oh, where is that we have done? I don't remember that where.
No. This is
You have that notes?
okay. This is not the one. The one. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Hold on. Let's go to the interfaces. Yeah, and then inventory management. Yeah, then go to different movement types. This one, the one which you were there.
Yeah.
Okay, and hold on a second.
Define
Okay,
moment
as
type.
in yes, double click there, the first one. Okay, and okay, and then this is the reference one where no, okay, this is the stock transformer. Let's come back.
Where is that configuration we have done
Yeah,
it?
let's click on the second one, LEWM interface to inventory management.
Okay.
Double click. Okay, just a second.
Here, no?
Okay, hold on. Let it pull up. There is a delay actually.
Here.
Yeah, and now
Here.
go to the
Additional.
position. Yeah, go to the position.
Which warehouse?
It
NRI,
was
no?
001. No. This one is 001. 001. Yeah, click that. Okay. And 001, 101 is the movement type for which, there is B. B is for receipt for purchase order. Okay. You can check that. IMC, a transfer requirement is X, that is marked, but I am not seeing the tier number. Question 1. Second is that in the additional data, I have nothing populated, but still it is pulling up the LE data from the material master. You mentioned that in that configuration it was not pulling up because in the additional data you need to maintain the one option where you enter palletization screen or something like that. But here nothing is mentioned. Still it is pulling up. Yes. Transmits screen window
No,
for
this is something special moment indicator you have, no?
which one?
This one
Special
special moment indicator for warehouse.
Okay.
Uh,
That is A.
so this is something different.
What is special movement indicator? There is nothing described here. Let's find something with the
we have
alphabet.
not discussed it.
Okay. Is there anything with B? Let us see anything with B. Just only B. B. Oh no. (001). Okay, B, A special. Okay, okay.
So here, for the transfer requirement, when you save it, it will create a transfer requirement.
What's that? Sorry, I didn't understand.
If you save this, if you post it, when you post this GR, a transfer requirement will be created.
Automatically. Okay.
Automatically. When you post it, it will create.
And that will come in the WM screen.
But this thing I am not understanding.
The tier number will come in the
WM screen.
WM tab here. Okay.
Shall I post now?
Yeah,
I see.
go ahead.
Want me to post it?
Yes, go ahead.
Just created. And now when you see here, it has not pulled.
Okay.
So
Okay.
We'll delete this. We'll delete this. Cancel it. It has not pulled. Now it is ticking. When you see in a display mode, it is not actually picking. So when you write there, then you will see that.
Okay, let's go to that configuration screen. Yeah, after you reverse it.
I have reversed already. I have cancelled it.
Mm-hmm.
Now we'll maintain that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now let's go to 001 warehouse. No, did you put that there? I missed that configuration.
System is very slow.
System is very slow and there is a delay going on. You know,
Mm.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, there is a lag.
Yeah, lag. What happened to Venu? Venu lost interest in WM.
No, the point here, no, what is actually here?
Uh-huh.
I found from Murli that he is actually a MM trainer.
Okay.
No, it has not picked.
So,
It has not picked. Let me see
yeah,
why he is.
yeah.
Yes.
What is the additional data? One, can you come back to the additional data? Just once more in the pick list. Choose the options.
This one.
Yes. Just hold on a second. Let me see the screen. Okay. A transmit screen window for entering good receipt number. Okay. No, you have entered the correct one. No. Okay. So no problem. No, the good receipt
No,
number.
no, no. Now it will get. Now it will get. Actually, there was no. What was he was telling that
Uh-huh.
he is actually an MM faculty in his institute.
Okay.
Venu.
Okay.
So he actually he was thinking to train the WM also. So what he has done,
Uh-huh.
he thought of joining my class, and alternatively he is giving WM training to somebody. And what he was, he was, if you remember, he was asking for every PowerPoint presentation. Do you remember?
Yes, yes.
He was asking, no? So,
Uh-huh.
so then that guy who was actually joined his class has dropped.
Okay. Okay. And then he also lost interest.
He also dropped. And on some day he said to Murli that actually this Azam is he said something about me. So Murli told me that he was telling that I was unable to solve any issues while classes only. Then I told Murli. Even Arijit also was there. If you have any doubts, then you can ask him.
Yes.
This is not actually the thing. He wants to drop it.
Mm-hmm.
So he went. I said, okay, no issues. Since the beginning, if you remember, he was asking, doubts. He was telling, so he joined only because to clarify some doubts.
Yes. Yeah.
In the beginning classes, he was asking me, right, what is this, how the strategy and all that.
Yes. Yes.
So then he learned something and then he left. Now you see, he got it, right?
Yes.
The issue was actually we haven't created the reference here without a special indicator. No, we have it was already there with special indicator.
Let me see the screen.
101 0 0. So it was there with special movement indicator.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, okay.
this is not the
one
one
without.
here actually.
Yes, yes, the one above it. Okay.
We have. I created without special movement indicator and this thing.
Okay.
Now it has picked.
No, it has picked. Okay, got it.
Understood?
Any idea on what is the special movement indicator
No.
A stands for?
Yeah, we haven't actually done that topic.
Okay.
I'll cover that also. Actually the special movement indicator is, for example, you have some material and you don't want to process the same strategies to that material. You already have some material with some strategy, and now you want to post that to some different storage type other than the traditional storage type. Okay.
Okay.
In that case, in order to deviate the traditional strategy, you use the special movement indicators. For example, what happens? You have two sunglasses with you. So now what you do? You always keep one sunglasses at some place. Now you are getting a new one. So you don't want to keep the sunglass at the same place. So you want to change that location to it. So in order to system to understand that this is specially maintained, so then you use this special movement indicator. In the Metrable Master, you have a field called special movement indicator.
Okay.
So in that,
yes, WM1.
you maintain
Yes.
that.
Okay.
WM1, huh?
Yeah.
So you maintain that.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now let me move to the, okay, these two questions are answered. Okay, now the questions which I have is that when we go to the strategies and when we activate the storage type search, storage section search, there I have questions.
Yeah, we'll go with that. So that is how it happened with intelligent device. And he's actually an faculty. He said, earlier said.
Okay.
I was shocked. Wow, how come he can't even speak properly? Like,
yes.
And he always says he's a contract employee.
Yeah.
Okay. In the beginning itself, he'll say, I'm a contract employee too. Why anybody will bother whether he's a contract or a permanent? Who bothers? It is an employee complex. We'll say in the beginning itself.
Let's go to the strategies.
Okay, then.
Strategies.
Activate.
Activate storage type search. Okay. Okay, the last one. Access optimization, storage type search. Where we use this? I drilled into the screen. I try to read those values, but I'm a little bit confused.
This is a consignment considered type. Considered stock category. This one actually, see, it is saying, for example, what is actually this, you are specific to some criteria. It is, so for all the things it is ticked. This one is ticked. You see to almost all the warehouse numbers, this is ticked. The reason behind is we always search the storage type with respect to the indicators, right? Storage type indicators.
Yes.
No.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So, for example, for some materials, I want the system to search for the combination of storage type indicator and storage stock category. Stock category in the sense is a quality stock or a block stock
Okay.
or GI block stock,
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
So I want the system to search for both
Okay.
and then find the strategy.
Okay. Can you widen that column so that I can read what is written? Consider stock category. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
I want the system to search the storage type as per the combination of both the indicator and the stock category.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then what it do, if you don't maintain anything in the material master,
Mm-hmm.
then system, and in here, if you are not maintaining this field, stock category, this, if you don't maintain anything,
Mm-hmm.
okay, like the system will go fast, will run fast. So if you consider that, then it will see, okay, I have the system understand that it has to search with respect to the type indicator and the special stock category.
Okay.
With the combination of that,
Mm-hmm.
then it will go and search for a storage type.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Okay. So I am
what actually it is.
okay. So I will first put values here in the determine search sequence that for stock removal or stock placement of warehouse so and so, the system will look for storage type and stock category. Then I will go to the last one, which is access optimization, and I will click on consider storage type and consider stock category to make them active. So both the configurations need to be done. Access optimization.
Likewise, you have so many things here. Almost all the fields which are
in the
mentioned here.
In yes.
2, 1,
Define
2,
stress
3,
source.
4, 5, 6, 7. So all this has been maintained.
Okay, go to determine.
Based on this combination.
Yes, yes. No, I'm listening. Based on this combination.
Based on the combination, it go directly search for the storage type.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's go to position.
Position.
Put NRI. Okay. Okay. And two-step picking. These are all the ones which got copied. Okay. In the storage type, let's go to position once more. And put NRI there, and storage type indicator put NAG. Pull up. Did it pull up something?
I don't see anything. No.
I did something. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Storage type indicator NAG was there. Operation. Yeah, I did configure. Where? Okay, good. Okay, now
stock placement.
Yes, stock placement. Yeah, stock placement. NAG is the storage type indicator for available stock. And now let's close this box. Let's close this box. Yeah, and let's open up the first storage type. Widen that up. No, in
which one?
In the determine search sequence. In that screen, you have determine search sequence. Let's go there. I have a question actually there.
One second.
Yeah. E.
Yes, tell me.
Okay, okay. You see the first storage type or something like that? First storage type? Can you widen that up in the where under it is written NRI, that column? First storage type or something like that? Not the warehouse.
Which one?
The,
This
yeah,
one.
yes. I would like to read that. First storage type, second storage type. Now my question is that what do these values mean? You know, storage type I understand. Now why first storage type, second storage type, why these three, four storage type, four storage type, why these are maintained like this one? I mean, how many
No.
storage types
See,
are
for
there?
example,
Yeah, go ahead. Mhm.
so for example, in a warehouse is divided into multiple storage types, right?
Yes.
Huh.
So I have
So,
multiple values.
so
Okay. I understand
whenever
that.
you have the particular material with the storage type indicator, it
Mhm.
it is allowed for these storage types which are all maintained here.
Mhm.
For example, the first storage type is filled with
Mhm.
all the no, with all the storage types bins whichever you have, it's all filled now.
Okay.
So it will go search for a secondary. It's like a primary and secondary
Okay,
sources.
okay, okay, good. That leads where I can calculate the number of bins in one storage type. Where I can find
You want to see the
the
list
table.
of bins?
Yeah, the table where I can see that okay, these are the bins whether they are full or not in one storage type. Because I'm trying to understand that how the system is optimizing the start sequence. How it determines okay, I'm putting in the start this storage type. Now it is getting filled. Now it's moving to the second one. How it is determining. So that's why.
You can see here. The list of empty storage bin if you want to see.
Okay.
In LX01, if you see this one, it is
LX01. Okay. Can you put the T code on the bottom, please? LX01.
and warehouse number is 10, no?
Warehouse number is
Not
no, it is NRI.
001.
Hmm.
NRI.
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 Yeah.
And storage type is NRI.
NRI. Yeah.
So there are no bins created.
No.
Yet.
Okay.
You have not created any bins.
Okay. Okay. Let's go back and put storage type 001.
Hmm. 1 second. No bins for NRI.
Okay. I believe I created the storage bins, but
We have not created. You know,
let's attend
you must
automatically.
create no. It's, when you go there, listen. What many people will do is they'll leave it like it will show the bins with the numbers.
Yes.
And then you think that it is created.
Yes. That's what I did.
But it is not.
I didn't hit the save button. Okay.
Go to create bins. You should click create online.
Yes.
Here you will see something here.
Yes.
You must click this.
Create.
Did you click this?
No, I didn't. I didn't.
So you must click this.
Create storage location.
You would have seen this, or then you think that okay, it has been created.
Yes.
But it is not.
Yeah.
You should click this.
Okay.
When you click this, bins are created.
Okay.
For example, let's see whether we have created or not. Which one is warehouse number is NRI, no?
Yeah, NRI and storage type NRI.
Warehouse is also NRI, yeah?
Warehouse is also NRI, storage type is also NRI.
Storage Okay, here you have one sequence. Open it. And create online. Being created. So if you click this,
Mm-hmm.
do you want to create the bins?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So 100 storage bins are created. Now we go to LS01. LS01. No, LX01.
Mm-hmm.
01. This stuff. Everything. Here are the bins.
Mm-hmm.
All are empty.
Okay, all are empty. Yep. Okay. Hmm.
What I'll do is Monday
Mm-hmm.
I'll create all the things in this system only.
Okay.
Okay, so even if you find any difficulty also you can go and
Okay.
verify with this configuration. That you'll also have we'll see in this new system of ESP4 we'll have a good exposure. No?
What's that? I missed that. Last what you said.
Actually, we'll work in this system. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
For complete day I'll try to configure all the activities.
Okay.
Today
Okay.
I actually had a plan of covering almost 4 or 5 topics,
Mm-hmm.
but I lost my system. I
Yes.
actually have
Mm-hmm.
I have done some configurations and practice on these things. Some of
Mm-hmm.
the regarding the batch management and the production integration with WM and
Mm-hmm.
QM integration with WM
Mm-hmm.
and two-step picking and batch management with WM.
Mm-hmm.
I have some 5 topics to discuss today,
Mm-hmm.
but unfortunately I lost the system. Yesterday why it was not actually picking from regarding the two-step picking.
Yeah.
I was telling you, no, it was not picking from the 200 storage character.
Exactly.
The reason behind I haven't maintained a strategy for that. I was in the evening I came from office. I was thinking, what is what was happening, and then I suddenly बत्ती जली है मेरे दिमाग में.
या होता है. Yeah.
Then what happened? I configured that and I ran one process, reset process.
Okay.
And it worked fine.
Okay.
So what I'll do is tomorrow 30,
Mm-hmm.
I'll configure all the processes.
Mm-hmm.
Next week we'll seriously do on many things here
No. Seriously करना पड़ेगा.
because it's been 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm. हाँ एक्चुअली और May 15 से मैं रेज्यूमे बिल्डअप करूंगा. आई हैव P2P एक्सपीरियंस एंड लिटिल SRM एक्सपीरियंस, तो थोड़ा सा ऐड करूंगा उसमें WM एंड SRM में एक्चुअली आई वाज एन एंड यूजर ट्रेनर द क्लाइंट साइड, तो आई वर्कड इन द वहां पे भी कुछ ऐड करूंगा. देन वी विल हैव सम मॉक इंटरव्यूज. For example, मतलब you will be my जैसे interviews, technical interviews, mock interviews. We will drill the mock interviews, and then I will figure out that what is you help me to figure out which were the places where I need to work.
Sure.
Yeah.
So how was the SRM training going on?
SRM training was going on good. Actually, the instructor is on a vacation right now. So it happens only on weekdays, 3 hours at a stretch. Weekends, Saturday and Sunday, 3 hours at a stretch. So this weekend it won't happen. Next weekend it won't happen. So that's why. But he explained good. He first explained the org structure, then the replications to SRM. Then now he's working on the network portal. And since WM, actually, I have not got opportunity to work. I have worked with my WM, testing, cross-application testings with WM co-workers, but, any testing where P2P was involved, I was the representative. But I didn't get any chance to work WM at all. But in SRM, since I have worked little bit, so I usually ask a lot of questions there. Also, I ask questions here too. So that is very much interactive session and a global class hota hai. One student is from Cape Town, Ghana, or another is from US, another is from US. I am from India. Instructor is from UK.
Oh. Yeah, you told me that. Yeah.